Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix buzzing sound in Windows 11 laptop and PC. So this is how simple it is to fix that problem. If you're hearing that buzzing sound, what you're going to do is head over to the sound here. You're going to right click that one and then open the sound settings. Now that you've opened the sound settings, I want you to go ahead and scroll down here and you're going to look for more sound settings. Go ahead and click that and you should be able to see this pop up right here. Now from this point forward, I want you to head over to the recording because we are actually going to look at our microphone. Now as of the moment, this is the microphone that I'm using, but I'm not going to touch that one just because I don't want to cause some errors. Now, let's go ahead and use this one here as an example. So what you're going to do is right click this one and then open the properties. And in the properties, you should be able to see a listen tab here. Click that one. Now, if you are going to see that the listen to this device here is checked just like so, you might want to uncheck that one. After doing so, just hit apply and then hit OK and try to test this once again. Now, before testing this though, I want you to restart your PC for the changes all to apply. And that is how you are going to fix the buzzing sound in Windows 11.